and welcome to this overview of the Risk Management Plan webinar. My name is Miranda Dollen and I will be your host for this webinar. I've been in the industry for nearly 30 years in both regulatory, industry and consultancy environments. During this webinar, we will take a look at how the Risk Management Plan fits into the pharmacovigilance system, how it interacts with periodic reports, signal detection and so on. We will also look at the European template, as this is often used as a basis for global RMP or core RMP being used in multiple jurisdictions. Finally, we will look at the commitments for additional activities within a risk management plan, how we maintain compliance with those and close the life cycle of a risk management plan. This is an interesting area as we've seen multiple commitments from agencies to have risk management plans. We're seeing increasing numbers of findings at inspections on risk management plans and monitoring the commitments within those. This webinar will be suitable for those just entering the industry or those who've been in it for quite a few years and are looking at their risk management plan systems and how to improve them. So thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you on the 22nd of October.